fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3, listen.
Show me how you do the monkey funk groove. Show me how you put the vibe into it. Show me how you do the monkey funk groove. Stop, no bust a move. No bust a move, bust a move, bust a move, bust a move, bust a move.
Nature-safe organic fertilizers. Nature-safe delivers the highest concentration of organic fertility in a commercial fertilizer, delivering a controlled and complete release of soil-feeding nutrition. Our broad line of organic fertilizers are specifically engineered to help organic growers increase yields and improve crop quality. From controlled release, pelleted or granulated formulations, to dry flowable powders and liquid organic fertilizers, NatureSafe can match the right product, rate, and application method that will help drive grower results. In addition, NatureSafe offers a family of certified organic fertilizer ingredients, ensuring a best-in-class supply chain. Environmentally safe, NatureSafe does not leach. By feeding and exploding soil microbe populations, our products create a fertility foundation that makes everything you do better. NatureSafe has set the standard in organic fertility for over 30 years. Since 1882, our parent company, Darling Ingredients, has been a global model of environmental stewardship excellence. Today, Darling helps feed the world with more than 200 animal and plant nutrition processing facilities in 38 countries on 5 continents. Using the same ingredients you trust to feed your pets, such as meat, bone, blood, and feather meals, plus plant-derived proteins, NatureSafe applies the science and expertise of animal nutrition to soil and plant fertility. As a publicly traded global agribusiness, we understand the importance of compliance and product safety. As a result, NatureSafe offers dozens of formulations that are approved for unrestricted use in certified organic crop production validated by OMRI, CDFA, WSDA, and ODA.
The Andersons is committed to meeting growers' organic nutrient and grain marketing needs. As an organic grower, your success hinges on sourcing organic nutrients. The Andersons provides easy access to organic nutrient inputs and soil amendments, as well as new and innovative products like Pure Start Liquid Fertilizer, one of the first OMRI-certified liquid row starters on the market. Working with the Andersons for grain marketing provides growers the flexibility and service needed in a partner. As a customer of the Andersons, growers gain the partnership of our professional logistics team, grain merchandisers, years of market knowledge, and premium offer programs to take advantage of opportunities in the market. Visit the Andersons booth to learn more and to enter for a chance to win 275 gallons of the new Pure Start Organic Liquid Roast Starter.
Pacific Grows Seafood for the Soil, Marine Nutrients for Soil Health. Ag soils often lack major and micronutrients. These nutrients are removed with harvest, leached out by the rain, and destroyed by harmful farming practices. These nutrients wash downstream to the ocean, and it used to be that salmon migrating upstream would deliver marine nutrients back to the land, and why salmon DNA is found in soils throughout the West. Pacific Grow Organic Fertilizer is derived from salmon, crab, and shrimp to provide marine nutrients which actually improves the soil. This great range of micronutrients feed the soil microbes to build bacteria, fungi, and actinum seeds, delivering proven performance in any major crops.
Hello, my name is Mike Helly from Edinburgh, Texas. We're standing out here in a cowpea field today. I grow approximately about 20 plus crops, from watermelons, honeydews, onions, to vegetables, to cotton, corn, and different small grain crops. I've started using Pacific Grow 2 years ago, and it's really helped out our soil health program. We've been using all sorts of biologicals. We brew our own compost tea. We added the Pacific Grow, and it's really helped out speed up the microbiome in the soil. We're seeing reduced input costs, and this past year I've been on a better foliar program with Pacific Grow. I've seen a lot of growth and less minor deficiencies in this crop especially, and I'm really looking forward to using it in the future.
Use Pacific Grow to improve your soil health with micronutrients on all your major crops. Looking to take your farm to the next level? C90 Ocean Minerals offer an all-natural way to restore performance and reduce input costs. With C90, you can easily feed your soil, plants, and animals the macro and trace element nutrients they crave. More nutrients means better health, and better health means reduced pest and disease pressure. Plus, add the final piece of the puzzle to your grow operation and enjoy improved yields, flowering, and flavors. C90 offers decades of experience, including hands-on work with Dr. Maynard Murray at the original Seaponics Farm. And we're always hard at work on exciting new innovations. We've recently enhanced our entire portfolio. And in 2022, we'll be launching new products with exciting performance benefits. So give our team a call and let's partner together to transform your farm with a wave of nutrition. Only from C90.
Farming is a job as old as time, generational and consistent. Wisdom passed down from parent to child, old to new. The job is not one for the faint of heart. It takes commitment, patience, trust, and knowledge. Agriculture Solutions is a family-run business that can help you to improve your soil health, discover the needs of your crop, and achieve your goals in the fields and in the books. We are here to make it easy for you through consulting, training, and world-renowned products and services. We've partnered with Graham Sate and Nutritech Solutions in Australia to bring nutritional farming practices into North America using state-of-the-art fertilizers, a focus on soil health, and a desire to build a sustainable, healthy world. You work hard to raise your families, grow your crops, and attain high yields and healthy results. Let us walk together with you on this journey of growing.
At SureSource Commodities, we are licensed to buy and sell organic, non-GMO, and specialty crops. Our dedicated procurement staff and logistics team offers competitive pricing and outstanding service, and we always pay on time. Our buyers trust us to deliver quality crops from sustainable sources. To meet that promise, we created SureSource Agronomy. Our goal is to help you build healthy soils to grow high-yielding, high-quality crops. We offer a range of products from mineral to carbon-based to biological in a variety of formats for seed, soil, foliar, and residue applications. If you want to work with a team you can trust to connect agronomic knowledge and market intelligence, people who operate fairly and can help you make the right decisions, a company that has the same high standards you expect of yourself, contact SureSource Commodities and SureSource Agronomy and visit our trade show booth here at the conference. You can visit us at www.suresourcecommodities.com or 866-697-5960.
For many generations, farmers have cared for this land because to the American farmer, this land is more than their livelihood, it's their legacy. We use technology to manage our resources because as the cost of growing crops goes up, it's important that we become more efficient. For more than a generation, TPS Lab has worked alongside growers of all sizes, helping them maximize their resources and protect our delicate environment. Taking advantage of advances in soil and plant science, our team of experts is ready to help you meet your goals in cost-effective ways that help protect our natural resources. Every challenge, every step of the way, will stand beside you with recommendations that are customized and specific to your needs and budget. Call or visit us today. Let's work together to protect what matters most.